All right, y'all, now that we got our bacon cooked and our grease drained, I'm coming in with some diced onion. Just gonna add about, this whole thing of diced onion, one whole diced onion. And now I'm coming in with 24 ounces of lima beans. Now you could use lima beans or butter beans. I chose lima beans. I know sometimes when they're in a can, they're called a butter bean, but these lima beans, I like the green color, and they're basically the same thing, same flavor. All right, I'm coming in with some chicken broth, and I am using the low sodium kind. And we're just gonna get enough in here to kind of get everything covered so it can boil. All right, it's gonna be this whole 4 cups. Let me give this just a quick stir, making sure we get kind of everything submerged. Perfect. All right, we're just gonna let those beans boil and soften up. Alrighty, y'all. We're just gonna unroll our pie dough while our beans are
boiling.
I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this across into strips. I'm using a pastry cutter. You can just use a knife or a pizza cutter if you prefer. Y'all, this is so easy. Classic Southern recipe. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. It's been all over the internet recently. I think it's gonna be super, super yummy. All right, I'm just gonna grab the lid off here. This is looking good. I'm just gonna come in here with my potato masher. I'm gonna mash these beans a little bit just to break them up, but I think they're looking real good. They're clearly soft. Their colors changed just a little bit. Yum, y'all. This is gonna be so, so good. All right, it's time to add in the strips of our pie dough here. We are almost done. This is just about ready to eat. Y'all, this is gonna be so tasty, so yummy. How easy was this? Just a few simple ingredients. I'm just gonna give this a stir. Perfect. And we're just gonna let this pie dough get cooked just a little bit, and then we are ready. All right, y'all. And add some cracked black pepper, freshly cracked from my grinder. Give this one more stir. Oh yeah, look at that. Here I come, get myself a big, delicious bowl full. All right, y'all, our butter bean pie is ready. Woo! Y'all, that's tasty. This was so easy, so good. Y'all gotta try it.